Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even make decisions just like humans. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Picture a computer program that learns from experience, adjusts to new inputs, and performs tasks that typically require human intellect. These might be anything from understanding spoken language to playing chess, recognizing patterns, or driving a car. So how does AI work? At the heart of AI are algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell a computer what to do. These algorithms are designed to process, learn, and make decisions based on data. AI systems use these algorithms to build models of the world, make predictions, and improve over time. This process is much like how a child learns through experience and adaptation. There are two main types of AI. Narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition, and general AI, which can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. The latter is still largely a concept in the realm of science fiction, with the former seeing broad application in our daily lives. The journey of AI has been a roller coaster ride, from its conceptualization in the mid-20th century to its present-day applications in every conceivable field. AI is now an integral part of our lives, powering voice assistants, recommending what to watch next on Netflix, predicting weather, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. In summary, artificial intelligence is a fascinating field that holds the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. It's a technology that learns, adapts, and makes decisions, much like the human brain. The journey into the world of AI is a thrilling one, with every step forward promising new possibilities. Whether it's the convenience of a voice assistant or the life-saving potential of AI in healthcare, the impact of artificial intelligence is profound and far-reaching. Welcome to the future, it's already here.